Hi guys,
We are the Ultimate Football 5
and today we're doing
Woodwork Challenge.
Lego.
Let's go.
First attempt. That hit.
First attempt. Let's go. First hit. That hit.
Nope.
Let's go. Attempt 2, he says.
Oh.
Yep.
Well done. Go on then.
Attempt 2. Go. Further back. Long range.
That didn't hit.
Go.
Third attempt.
That hit, didn't it?
Go.
Third attempt. Let's go.
Oh.
Go.
Number 4. Attempt 4.
This don't really count because you're going to be crap anyway. See? Look, how bad was that?
Really crap.
Exactly. Really crap. It's going to hit. Fourth attempt. Move out the way, you know. I was very, very close. Go on, go.
5th attempt for them.
Here's the ball. Put it back on the spot for him.
That hit.
The post!
We're doing Woodwork challenge.
Yeah, he's
1-0.
He's got the post.
How are you feeling when you're 1-0 down?
Well, I'm going to hit it, so I don't really care.
5th attempt, got them.
That hit.
Time for me to hit the crossbar.
Mate,
Bet ya.
my mum could hit the crossbar. Right, this could be an outside of the foot. Attempt 6 or 7. Not sure anymore, don't we care. Oh!
Was that close?
Closer than yours.
Whatever
Go.
attempt. I really don't care.
Grab protect because you can't hit it. Whatever attempt, sure, just copy what he says.
Wait, not today.
Go.
Needs no talking.
Right, let's just... Whatever. Don't care. No luck.
You won't hit it. Oh, Jeff.
Look at him down there. What attempt is this? Lewis. Come on, Lewis. What's the attempt? I don't know.
And I don't care.
I don't care. Stop. Exactly. I only want my toes and toe poked it. We're using my ball.
Pass him.
No, we're going to kick the ball over there.
No.
Right, let's go.
Come on.
What attempt is this? We've got our ball boy over here. Pass the ball.
You sure about that?
Is your name Lawrence?
Yeah. Oh, well, how does she know me?
Are you recording?
Go on, Ben.
Are you recording?
Yes.
Go on, Ben. You are.
Let's go.
Don't try again.
Just because you can't hit it. Because you're crap. Way.
Focusing on you.
Hello. What's this, guy?
Oh.
Shut up. Crap. You crap. You crap, and you know. Whoa, it's a bit too close. But it's crap anyway. Bend it like Beckham. Curler. Watch. Ah!
You totally bent it, didn't you?
Scored 1-0, let's go. Wow, let's just not talk. Ready? What are we doing now? Yeah, post. Sorry.
Well done.
It hit the post. Go. So, right, that's his attempt. Isn't it? It's his attempt.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, so it was his attempt.
It certainly was, buddy.
Go on and record it.
I'm going there.
Hold on.
He's going to hit the crossbar. First go. He hit the same post. He hit the same Hit the same post. That's the 10. Let's
Because
go.
they're both crap. Oh look, we dropped.
That's watching. Remember to smash the like button and subscribe. See ya. Crossbar.
He's got balls for days.